you said you'd seen me before.
Yeah, I've seen you a lot actually. You're always busy. You're always going places.
I don't know what I was busy for. So, that woman, she got out because she believed love is a wonderland.
I think you should have stayed. Just at first. That's what I would have done. And she paces, she ponders, but she still takes that guy right to heart. So you might as well stay there.
So what made you change your mind?
Well, I think I believe. I truly believe that the afterglow of love is far stronger than love itself. The shadow of it becomes more and more either hateful or more loving. And my memory's fading anyway. So it's better just to leave. The past is always better than the present.
Future, there's no confirmation of love. And the past doesn't confirm whether or not it existed. In my story, the guy waited for his friend, but by the end he was heartbroken.
So it's not a love story.
No. What's your favorite season?
Summer.
Soon?
Yeah, it feels like it's the only summer I'll ever have. It's June now, but sometimes it feels that someone's either passed me by already or it's just not happened. That's how I feel about love. Love is either always in the past or it's in the future, but in the present it's just untouchable. If you always stay in that room, you're still going to have those feelings, but you can't always have them. I was learning that very slowly.
So you think love is a monument? Actually, I've never been in love.
Why is that, Charlotte?
Even if I was in love, it feels too rude. It doesn't feel right. There's too many expectations. To love, to be loved, sense of belonging, security, sexuality. It feels that there's too many terms.
That's all any of us want.
Love is something higher. It exists, but too far away. It's like a wish. And so those feelings that we explore, like love, we start to believe that they are love.
So love is the mirage.
The reason why I was so busy last year was because I was afraid of being alone. Especially in the winter. Even though I experienced everything that could be defined as love, but what isn't love is also precious. And the effects of those superficial emotions could nearly defeat a person or sustain them throughout the season. In fact, until recently, I was still hung up over someone from last winter.
We never know the truth, though. Even in the afterlife. You still want to feel something. I still want to feel something. Well, let me take you back inside. The party's ending anyway.